Introducing VidPalAI. Craft high-impact GPT-4-powered whiteboard sales videos, business ads, product promos, informational videos, squeeze-page videos, and explainer/tutorial videos, drive traffic, boost conversions, and skyrocket sales in hot niches. Ultra-fast. Powerful. Guaranteed. Agency license available. Business ad demo video. Informational demo video. Tutorial demo video. Squeeze page demo video. Product promo demo video. Sales demo video. Loaded with advanced AI technology combined in one platform for marketers and creators. Video creator and editor. An easy-to-use whiteboard video creator that needs no technical skills even if you're creating your first ever video. If you can point and click, you're good to go. There are not just one but multiple ways to create videos. AI script creation for videos. An AI tool that instantly generates highly engaging video scripts for your products, ads, services, courses, and landing pages for any topic. Just enter a few product details, click the button, and your script is ready in seconds. Quickly convert it into a stunning video with a few clicks in the whiteboard video generator. Sales videos, just enter product details. Videos for business ads, enter business name, type, content. Informational videos, enter topic. Product promotional videos, enter product URL, name, type, info. Videos for squeeze page, enter freebie name, type, audience level. Explainer and tutorial videos, enter course name, type. Create videos using searchable images. This option allows you to search images from social media and convert them into videos. You can search and get from 5 to 20 photos within the tool. All you need to do is enter keywords, and our tool will find you photos from social media. Create videos directly from image URLs. This allows you to instantly turn images from anywhere on the web into videos. Go to Import and add URLs from where you want images. Add URLs and load images. Once you are done, you can convert them into a video. Create videos by uploading images from local. Click on the Upload option, choose image file to upload. Once uploaded, you can choose HD quality of the video, select audio file, and upload a voiceover. Process and generate a video with voiceover. Easy-to-use video editor. Tasks that take hours using standard video editors are reduced to just a few simple clicks. Here, you can add, remove watermarks, logo, add text, crop, trim, and edit the videos in so many ways. Generate thumbnails, speed, rotate, trim, reverse, edit videos. Add background music, animation, voiceover, watermarks, etc. Perform text alignment, top/bottom/left/right/no alignment. Captivating background music. Choose from a stunning collection of music files for every theme, new day, summer party, island vibes, Venice beach, and so many more. Auto slide break and auto line break. We make it easier for you. Slide breaks and line breaks are automated. Just copy the script in the text box and hit generate. No need to do it manually. In other words, the app automatically generates the slides for you. You can edit them if you wish. Your animation, your way. Choose from a variety of styles, fade in, fade out, vertical shuffle, horizontal shuffle, blink, or no animation. Edit videos uploaded from local PC with built-in editor. This is an incredible feature which lets you edit any video that you upload locally from your PC. Just upload the video file from your PC into the editor, edit and create a new video from it. Video storage included. Up to 1 GB. Store your videos in the My Videos section. Up to 1 GB. Our video compression is very good, so you can store a lot of videos. As a business, you can have several streams of income. Sell AI-generated whiteboard videos, business ads, product promos, informational, squeeze page, explainer and tutorial videos, and others to business owners. Sell unlimited attention-grabbing videos for social media channels to brands, businesses, and influencers. Sell lead generation services and video sales campaigns for brands and businesses. Sell unlimited whiteboard training video courses with PLR.